What are lady drinks? %90 people only watch videos, don't subscribe. Please, I request you to subscribe our channel. Most bars that employ bar girls operate a commission structure on drinks. These drinks are considered lady drinks. If you buy a bar girl a drink, the girl receives a commission from the bar. You don't have to buy a girl a drink, but if she is sitting with you and entertaining you, it is considered par for the course. It also reflects well on her job performance, as her boss will consider that she is doing a good job by getting you to splash your cash on more booze. Bear in mind that these lady drinks usually cost more than regular drinks. This is certainly the case in go-go bars, which we'll come to in a moment. The reason for this commission structure is that most bars pay a very basic wage for the girls, and the drink commission tops up their wage, similar to the tipping structure in a restaurant. Note that some bars don't pay a basic wage at all. The girl is simply attached to the bar by way of association and allowed to ply her trade there. Part of the job description is to get punters drinking more, and part of the girl's intent is to get a punter tipsy and lure him into her honey trap, so to speak. If a punter doesn't end up taking the girl home, a few lady drinks is a nice little commission for the time she has spent sitting and chatting with the punter. Time is money, as they say. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to stop missing out on future videos and fantastic information.